You're traveling and you just found out your real estate agent needs you to send her some documents today. Well, if you have a smartphone, you're in luck. This little device can let you scan what you need and save you time, money, and frustration. So here's how you can use your phone as a scanner. The steps may vary a little depending on which phone you have, but we're going to cover all the bases. Let's start off with the iPhone. First, open the Notes app and create a new note by tapping the icon in the lower right corner. Then tap the camera button and select Scan Documents. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and take the photo head-on, not at an angle, in order to get the best image quality. If you need more light, you can turn the flash on by tapping the lightning symbol at the top of your screen. If your phone is in auto mode, it'll automatically snap the photo to scan the page for you. Once you have the image you want, you can then crop it like this and tap Done. Here's a bonus tip. If you need to sign the document, follow these steps. First, choose the scanned document in the Notes app. Then tap Share in the top right of the screen and choose Markup. You can zoom into the image if needed and use your finger or a stylus like this one to add your signature. When you're finished, tap Done and then Save. If you're using an Android, open the Google Drive app and tap the plus icon in the bottom right of the screen. Then choose the scan icon and take a photo of the document you want to scan. If you like the image, tap OK. You can then tap the crop icon to adjust your image if needed. If you're scanning a document with more than one page, tap the Add symbol again to add more pages. When you're done, hit the Next button to upload the pages. You want to make sure that you tap Save when you're done. What's great about being able to do this with your phone is that these digital versions of your documents can now be emailed, texted, uploaded to the web, or even just kept on your phone for easy reference. And that's it. No need to rush out to the library or an office supply store or a business center in the hotel. You have everything you need to create digital documents right in your pocket. What a game changer. For more tech tips, head on over to aarp.org/tech.